So you guys, today we are, well, as you can hear, oh, get over this, not dropping, there we go, oh no, one more, ugh, come on, right, I got mirrors back on, guys, I never ride with mirrors, I'm going to put them back on today. So, we're taking the S1000 that we recently bought, if you haven't seen already. We recently bought that bike like last week, and it's got a full Acra system on it, titanium, as you can see it's blue in it up. But when it had one remap done when the bike came, it wasn't a fully optimized remap, so it went for another one. So it's had a good remap, but there's something that it's not doing on the map, so we've got to take it to someone else who mapped my mate's bike, the other S1000, and basically going to try and run the same map on both the bikes. And then after that I will have new end cans, so yeah, it'll be silly now. So that's what we're doing today. Anyway, welcome back to the channel, guys. Damn, it's slippery, let me get out of here quickly a bit. Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Why is it raining? What a day to do this. So yeah, anyway, that's what we're going to do today, guys. So yes, excuse me. So guys, please like, share. Wow, let's try that again. Please like, share, subscribe. Plenty more videos coming on the channel. We are going to mix it up. It won't all be 100% bike content. It's going to be a mixture. You have to mix up a little bit, but it's going to be entertaining. It will be good. So yeah, I'm very busy, so I'm struggling to keep the YouTube and everything else going at the same time, because I'm crazy busy working on projects. But hey, that is life. So yeah, S1000 V4S, got the mirrors back on. Hope the views are right for you guys, but let me see. Yeah, it's all good. I don't think you guys realise how bad of a day this was to come and do this. It is raining. Yeah, it's not a good day. Go that way. Not a good day. We're going to have to take this so slow and so easy, because yeah, this is not cool. Damn! Anyway, so we are riding. We're going to get that bike remapped. Yes, the plate actually came off. He's got a new one. I'm about to get fitted, so yeah. Anyway, get that remapped. Yeah, let's take it easy right there. Cheers. Cool driver. Thank you, thank you. Alright guys, we're at the petrol station. So yeah, you can see now, I put my mirrors back on. Looks nice, not that bad. We just looked at it, so it kind of goes with the wings. So mirrors are back on. The bike does look nice, and I got the rear seat on the back, but I got to take my boy back. And then obviously this one we're dropping off, the S1000 that we just bought last week. Just gets remapped, so it does its nasty flame business, pop, bangs, everything. It's got a map at the moment, and it's doing 200 to the wheel, which is actually a lot. So, or apparently anyway on that downer, so yeah. Anyway, it's not good weather for this, it's raining, as you can see, so it's kind of annoying. Well, we move. Damn, it is slippery as hell. Good grief, my feet are just sliding, bro. Damn. Yeah, this is not the one. That is the one with the arrow system, guys. That one is one of the loudest bikes I've ever heard in my whole life. Right, see my traction control is on level 8, the wheelie control level 8, everything's maxed out. I'm not playing this again today. This is the weather I do not ever want to ride in. I'm going to do it. I hate doing this. Done it about 3 times in my life. That is way too many times already. So yeah, after this I never plan to do this again. Yeah, we don't ride it away. We don't do this nonsense. Not on these tyres as well.
A few moments later.
Guys, we are literally in the middle of nowhere. I have no idea where we are, but it is soaking. I am soaked. All 3 of my bikes are soaked. It is cold. I do not want to do this again. Gosh, it is too cold and it's pouring. But anyway, we are moving. We shouldn't be that far from the place that deals with all the remapping, so you know, hopefully we'll get there soon. Oh, I'm too cold. I am soaked. Guys, look at the state of the poor bikes, man. That is filthy. I am filthy. Jeez. Oh, get this off.
So this is yours?
Yeah, that's mine.
Which one's not revving?
This one.
Revving, fine.
No, it's revving, but the sound, like, sorry,
You've got wildly different exhausts on there for a start.
when he's got standards, it does exactly the same thing.
Okay.
For a start, but because that's the stock end cam.
I've took that can off. I took it off, right?